Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting a project now. Open Sketchpad and create a new canvas with the dimensions you need so composition issues don't appear later. Once done, pick a brush preset and adjust size and opacity to match the stroke you want. Smaller sizes give finer detail. Make sure to enable grid or rulers for precise alignment. This saves time when placing elements. You're ready to lay down your first strokes and block in shapes immediately. Now build the image by working in layers so edits stay non-destructive. Create one for rough sketching, one for flat colors, and one for details. Use selection and transform to move or scale elements, and apply masks when erasing would otherwise remove underlying work. Once you block in color, adjust layer opacity and try different blending modes to find contrast and mood. This is why layers are powerful. They let you experiment without losing prior steps. Finish by cleaning up stray marks, aligning elements, and flattening only a duplicate file so you keep an editable version. When exporting, choose the right format and resolution for your use: PNG for transparency, JPEG for photos, and select a color profile if color accuracy matters. Once exported, save to cloud or share directly from Sketchpad. If something goes wrong, try reopening the layered file and exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.